Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to edit new trending videos on Instagram. First, you have to download CapCut on your phone. So after that, on the search bar, type Rara. So this is the username that we are looking for at Rara, and then you can tap on use template to use it. And then you have to choose pictures that you are going to use, so at least 7. So let's use Selena Gomez pictures over here. Once you're done selecting, tap on preview. And you will be able to see how it looks like if the pictures are already together. Now you can change also the text by tapping on the text and change it to the name that you wanted to. And then, by the way, CapCut has also its song already added to it, but if you want to change it, you can, or you may choose your own song. And I just turn it off to avoid copyright. So that's it. That's the preview of your pictures, and then tap export on the upper right corner of your phone if you're done, and then you can tap save to device. Now when it's done exporting, make sure that you will stay on the page and then tap Instagram, open it, and you can make it as a story or a reel. So that's the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.